Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 Wi-Fi connected but not working. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right click Run as administrator. Type net space, local group space, administrators space, network service space, /add. Type net space, local group space, administrators space, local service space, /add. Type exit. Second method is type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Right-click Network, disable and then re-enable. Right-click Network Adapter, click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, click Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses: 888888844. Third method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapters, right-click Network Adapter, click Update Driver, search automatically for drivers, click Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Fourth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type net sh space, int space, ip space, reset. Type net sh space, winsock space, reset. Type ipconfig space, /flush DNS. Type ipconfig space, /release. Type ipconfig space, /renew. Exit and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.